Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. Today's video, I've got these awesome gigantor Wagyu Ox Tails. Who thought they made Wagyu Ox Tails? But they do. These things are absolutely gigantic. They're a full tail. That is so cool how they packaged them. But anyway, let's get into it and show you some tips on how to cut an ox tail or a cow tail. It's just a tail, but that's the whole tail there, and you got a big chunky bits here all the way down to when you can see it swishing around to get rid of its flies off you. But if you come here, we'll turn it this way, it's a bit easier to see. And if you see here, this is the coolest tip. People say, where do you cut it? People cut here, can't cut through, but there's a little joint here. See that? Straight through. But if I went to not cut through the joint, if I cut here, hear that? That ain't going nowhere. So then, this is the coolest tip that I was shown by one of the first butchers that when I first started. Straight there, again. See, through the joint. And if you go there again, guess what? It's around the same spot. There we go. It just gets a little bit, and there we go. Bang, right on the money. There you go. Who's laughing now? We can go here. These ones get a bit trickier getting up bigger, so that's when you can turn it over and you'll see it. Oh, look at that marbling on the Wagyu. Even on a tail, you get marbling. Who would have thought? So there it is again there. This is when it gets big and meaty. And guess what? My little friend beside me is licking his lips. And all these are pretty much exactly the same size. If you have a look, now we'll make it up as a tail standing up. And you'll just see how they get smaller, smaller. It's like a Christmas tree. There we go. Oxtail Christmas tree. There you go. So they're all pretty much exactly the same size. So as I said before, is when you're cutting them, cut the first one, find the joint, and then just do it like that, how I laid them all out. So you lay it out, cut it, very easy. So we're going to put this into, we're going to have oxtail stew tonight. Looking forward to it. And as I said, these tails are massive. They even got marbling in the tail. That is so cool. That is very exciting for oxtail fans out there. It's not a common cut that you're going to come across, but if you get a chance, make sure you try it. And remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching this video.